A few days ago I was planning to buy an RGB mousepad, but when I looked the price, I decided to make my own mousepad. So let's go. For this project we need RGB LEDs and a piece of acrylic. Choose your mousepad size and then cut it. To cut the acrylic, I am using my technique to secure it in my table and then cut it with a razor. Oh yeah, it's done. But now we need to smooth a little bit of edges. Perfect. Now I am marking where I need to put the LEDs to make it more beautiful at night. Now we need to clean the edges. Oops, we have a problem. I shouldn't use white acrylic. We need transparent acrylic. So for this white shark I am using from my old keyboard. Now let's connect the LEDs to the color we want. To glue the mousepad, we need some glue. When I was working, I broke the acrylic glass, so I add 2 aluminum bar to make it more stronger. Let's wait. For the background of mousepad, I am using carbon fiber tape. It looks fresher than ice. And it works perfect. So now it's time to enjoy the reel. See ya!
You left me stranded, looking like a fool. All those nights alone in our bedroom. You said one thing